Think about your daily routine. Chances are there are lots of to-dos on your list each day. And with so many things vying for our attention, it may sometimes feel like your brain has a hard time concentrating on each of the things you'd like to accomplish. But according to Dr. Daniel Goleman, there are actually ways to train our brain for better focus and strengthen what he calls our concentration muscle. Here, he gives us a look at a simple but effective technique and shares just how far-reaching the effects can be when we boost our brain for better focus.
Concentration is a muscle of the mind, and there are definitely ways to strengthen the circuitry for concentration. I've seen it done with 7-year-olds in a school in Spanish Harlem, where they had a daily session of what they called breathing buddies, where each child would get a little stuffed animal, lie down on the floor, put that animal on their belly, and just watch it rise when they inhale and fall, go down when they exhale. And they count 1, 2, 3 going up, 1, 2, 3 going down. What they're doing is focusing on one thing and ignoring distractions. And research at Emory University suggests that the more we bring our mind back from wandering to a single point of focus, the stronger the circuitry for concentration becomes. So in children, this ability is called cognitive control. And it simply means that you're able to control your attention. You can keep it where you want to keep it, and you could ignore distractions. The most famous study of this is the marshmallow test that was done by Walter Mischel at Stanford, where he told kids you can have 1 marshmallow now, or if you wait 10 minutes, you can have 2 later. And he found that the kids who waited did much better in their academics, as seen 14 years later on their SATs. These were 4-year-old kids. And it's now been found in an amazing study in New Zealand, where they followed more than 1,000 kids from age 4 to age 32, that the ones who had this ability to concentrate, better cognitive control, in their 30s were doing far better financially and were in much better health. So cognitive control turned out to better predict their financial success than either IQ or the wealth of their family of origin. It's a very powerful and independent factor in how well people do in anything.
So, not only can concentration help us be more productive in the present, according to research, it can bode well for future success as well. To hear more about why concentration is so important for a stronger brain, tune into this week's webinar with Dr. Goleman. During the session, he'll also get into what our brain is actually doing when we think we're multitasking. You can watch the webinar for free at the time it's broadcast. Just click the link below to sign up.